we bring to you Metal Forming and India Welding Technology Show, South Asia's biggest trade show for sheet metal working, metal forming, laser cutting, welding and manufacturing technologies. Witness 175 exhibitors, 12,000 buyers and over 1,500 machineries and technologies in just 3 business days in Pune. See you at a brand new venue in Pune, spreading over 10,000 square meter of exhibition space. Get ready to witness the largest edition of Metal Forming Expo in Pune. Whether you are into engineering, automotive, heavy or light industries, SMEs, and MSMEs related to metals and metalworking industry, we have the most advanced solution on display. Witness solutions for metal forming, flexible sheet metal working, finished products, components and assemblies, separation and cutting machines, laser cutting machines, plasma and waterjet cutting machines, machines for sheet metal bending, folding, punching, stamping, welding and much more. Join buyers attending from 34 countries at South Asia's biggest trade show, Metal Forming and India Welding Technology Show. We look forward to see you in Pune.